I can't find anything to watch. 90% of my time goes to scrolling. Mindlessly. And my food gets cold. And I end up watching nothing. Let's solve this. Let's explore what's happening in my brain. Problem number 1 is choice overload. It's just too many options to choose from. Think like this. This is me. And this is my TV. And this is the streaming service waiting for me, just to bombard me with content like this. And as you can see, with so many options, it can be easy to get overwhelmed and be caught in the headlights. Problem 2 is something I call junk food theory. In this movie jungle, instead of picking something from my watch list, I choose the first available option, just to watch anything. It's like being extremely hungry and grabbing the first junk food available. It may be satisfying in the moment, but it leaves me questioning my life choices after. My third problem is unfortunately my attention span. As you can see, it has been shrinking over the years, which makes watching 2-hour movies really hard for me. So I should stop thinking them as a whole and maybe think them like 2 one-hour movies. It's like breaking a task into 2 smaller ones. And my last problem is friction. Hitting the play button is the most difficult part for me. And even if I know what to watch, there is still a gap to actually watch it. I need to search where the movie is available. And also, I need some motivation to start watching it. Because watching a movie shouldn't feel like climbing Everest. Before we start coding, let's design the solution architecture first. I need something that takes my watch list and my streaming service subscriptions and filters options according to that, and chooses one of them randomly without considering duration, and gives me some motivation as well. So I began by writing a Python script that takes my IMDb watch list. This CSV file holds all the basic information I need. I found a website called Just Watch that has all the information about streaming services for movies. Their website works very well, but again it's like an infinity of options. I use their API to gather information about available streaming services. The code basically takes the movie title from my watch list, check if it's on any streaming platform and return the result. I also made it super customizable. I included only movies and left out TV series. I also fully eliminated movies from platforms for which I don't have an active subscription. So the final output looks something like this. This code also can help me understand which streaming platforms I should continue paying for and which ones I should drop. I also put the code into my GitHub page if you want to check it out. For the second layer of the project, I thought I can use ChatGPT to choose a movie from this list. I configured a CustomGPT model for my specific needs, even though there are many movie recommenders in the ChatGPT library. CustomGPT works like this. You fine-tune the model by giving instructions, speaking to and testing it repeatedly. My first instructions weren't that great and it was still making the same mistakes. But after watching some online tutorials, I learned how to give the proper commands. I think it's ready. Let's test it. Hey movie recommender, I've got like 1 hour of time and I need something to cheer me up. Can you recommend me something from my watch list?
Sure thing. Let's see. Since you have only an hour, I'll suggest splitting a longer movie into 2 parts. Check out Spotlight from 2015. It's a gripping biography, crime, and drama movie, and you can catch it on Netflix. Watch the first half now. It's an inspiring and intense story that'll surely engage you. You can do this.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the movie, and remember, you can do this.
Thanks.